ElectricShaver Pro is an electric shaver that is designed with a professional touch and elegance. With the ElectricShaver Pro, you get a 6-in-1 bald head face shaver machine that is waterproof and USB quick charging, making it more convenient to use on a daily basis. In this video we will give you a genuinely independent review of ElectricShaver Pro. To see more information and the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So let's get started. What is ElectricShaver Pro? ElectricShaver Pro, just as its name suggests, is a rechargeable shaving device which can be used by anyone to shave their hair. This electric shaver is designed to help you shave your hair to zero. There is no need to complain of expensive clippers or shavers again. All you need to do is to get your ElectricShaver Pro and you will enjoy the great and easy usage of this beautiful shaving machine. ElectricShaver Pro specifications: perfect head shaving machine to zero. Versatile shaver with special hand grip. Effective and fast head shaving. Stainless steel sharp razors with 6 rotating heads. Washable head for easy cleaning. Fully portable with rechargeable battery. Why should you get a personal ElectricShaver Pro? By using a public shaver, you are at a high risk of contracting disease that you may not know how to handle. It is not good that you expose yourself to such risk by using a public shaver to shave your hair. Remember how risky it is for you to use a public shaving machine. This is why this company took it to be their responsibility to design a cost-effective ElectricShaver Pro machine so that you do not have to complain of the expensiveness of the price. ElectricShaver Pro is designed for everyone, whether you are living an average life or above average. The most important thing is that you get a shaving machine that can help you anytime you want. A lot of people are seriously worried about the prices of professional-grade electric shavers, but the good news is that the ElectricShaver Pro is not expensive and can be bought by anyone. Features of ElectricShaver Pro: stainless steel sharp razors. This ElectricShaver Pro shaving machine is made of stainless steel material, which makes the blades sharper than your usual razor. Water-resistant, moist and dry. ElectricShaver Pro comes with IPX7 technology, which proves that it is waterproof. You will not have to worry about water damage. Rechargeable. ElectricShaver Pro does not just use light, but it is rechargeable, which means that it uses battery as well. All you have to do is to charge your ElectricShaver Pro and then start using it. With this electric shaver machine using a battery, you do not have to bother about light. Portable and special hand grip. ElectricShaver Pro is portable and comes with a special hand grip design which you can hold comfortably without slipping. It does not slip in your hand while you are holding it. Easy and quick head shaving. To shave your hair with ElectricShaver Pro does not waste any time at all. This machine is designed so that anyone can use it. It is safe to be used by anyone and can be managed by anyone. Fast charging with USB. ElectricShaver Pro comes with a USB which can be used to charge the machine. ElectricShaver Pro is not left aside when it comes to charging fast. Benefits of ElectricShaver Pro: easy usage. ElectricShaver Pro is very easy to use. This is not every other shaving machine that you need to have a special skill on how to handle clippers before you can use them. Quick and fast shaving experience. Enjoy quick and fast shaving with the use of ElectricShaver Pro. It shaves your hair very quick and fast. The blades are very sharp in the sense that the moment you place the machine on hair, it will have your hair shaved. Washable device. You can wash the heads of your machine without being afraid that the water may damage your machine. You have full control of your shaving machine when you get your ElectricShaver Pro. Final verdict on ElectricShaver Pro reviews: it is effective and it is very easy to use. It is affordable and it is portable as well. You do not have to worry about water damage because it is water and you can wash the heads. Get the fastest shaving machine and enjoy the long-lasting battery when you buy your ElectricShaver Pro. I highly recommend that you make this shaving machine your first choice. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to the ElectricShaver Pro, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.